A misguided brand of politics ya tutatenga tutaleta, and I heard him repeating the same words. We demand that common decency, basic courtesy and civility and decorum, terms that appear unfamiliar to Ruto and his ilk, that they should replace their vile and violent brand of politics which they recently introduced in Nairobi. We are cautioning him. Do not take thugs to the people of Mount Kenya and to any people in this great country of ours. Go to the people if you believe they have given you mandate and your mandate is still current. Go to them without having to mobilize thugs, without having to bus people to go and clap for you in a place they don't belong to. Finally, we call on citizens of Mount Kenya region to remain peaceful and patient and not to be goaded by the bad, insightful and hateful behavior of this discredited regime. We also have an issue with the Nairobi County government, which has recently declared Nairobi River Corridor with its demographic implications. We express our strong reservations on the declaration by the Nairobi City County on March 6, 2025 that proclaimed the Nairobi River Corridor as a special planning area, SPA. This will affect private properties to which people have titles. It will affect properties from Naivasha Road to Ruai, including along the tributaries of Nairobi River. We remind the Nairobi City County government that conversion of private property into public land is a function of the National Land Commission, NLC. It is of the National Land Commission through this illegal and unconstitutional declaration. In order to make a declaration like this, noting that via the Constitution, rivers and lakes belong to the national government, not to counties. Therefore, if there is an idea to create this corridor, it must originate from the national government with a cabinet memo, with the necessary policy documents, and most importantly, there must be public participation and parliamentary approval. We categorically say that this move will change the political and demographic arrangement of Nairobi and must not be taken lightly. The People's Loyal Coalition will defend the interests of the people of Nairobi legally and politically. We thank you.
Well done. Some water for
So I think we can take some questions, a few questions you might have.